In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a map on your page. To get started, open the page you want to work on in your editor. Once you're inside the page, look for the option to add a new block. Click the Add Block button, which is usually shown with a plus sign. This is where you can insert different types of content into your page, and for this tutorial, you'll want to select the map block. After the map has been added to the page, the next step is to open its settings so you can make changes. To do that, click the pencil icon on the map block. This will open the editing options for the map and allow you to control how it appears and what location it shows. Now, go to the location field and enter the address you want to display. As you type in the location, the map will use that address to place a pin on the correct spot. This is useful if you want visitors to quickly find a business, office, event venue, or any physical location. Make sure the address is entered clearly and accurately so the pin appears in the right place on the map. Once the pin is set, you can begin adjusting the look and feel of the map. Most editors will give you a few design style options to choose from, such as standard, satellite, and minimal. The standard style is great if you want a familiar street map view with labels and roads clearly visible. Satellite gives a more visual, image-based view of the area, which can be helpful if you want to show the surroundings more realistically. Minimal is a cleaner option, often better for modern page designs where you want the map to feel less visually busy. You can also adjust the zoom level to control how close or far away the map appears. A closer zoom is useful when you want to highlight a precise address or entrance, while a wider zoom can help show the surrounding neighborhood or nearby landmarks. Take a moment to preview the map and choose a zoom level that makes the location easy for visitors to understand at a glance. After that, your map should be set up and styled the way you want. This is a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in helping people find your location and interact with your page more easily.